Doing video demonstration inspection of a 328D John Deere wheel type skid steer loader. We're going to take you all the way around it. This girl's got it all, cab air, heat. I mean, she's got everything. She's a big girl too. Got a big old John Deere bucket on it. Professional grade bucket. This is the nicest thing it's got. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. It's got quick attach bucket. You just change it with a push of a button inside the cab. Got one luxurious cab in it. I'll take you all the way around here. Keep rubber on the tires. Gives you a push on the serial number. Show you run, it's just as good as she looks. She's got a counterweight kit on it too.